Are you missing out on free ad credits? It's time to change that. First, head to the Member Tools Affiliate Builder page on Advertising Blowout. Remember, join from this page to have Rich as your sponsor. If you join from the Black Friday offer page, the default admin, Dave, will be your sponsor. Not a member of Advertising Blowout yet? No worries. Sign up for free and get a promo code for over 400 sites, each giving you a free 5-pack of ad credits. Search the free member promo code pages 5 for your site name. No need to include .com or .net. Use Ctrl+F to find it quickly. Copy and paste your exclusive promo code, then redeem it on your member area's main page. When you join a site, use the promo code NEWMEMBER. And here's a pro tip. Update your Advertising Blowout affiliate builder with your referral URL and encourage prospects to join from there. Happy advertising!